your mind and look inside. Imagine anything you want to find. Hi, welcome to the Suitcase of Imagination. I'm Jonny Jupiter and this is my classroom. Today's lesson is about these three little kittens, Minky, Manky and Monkey, with their mother. You will see three children using their imagination to tell the story of the three little kittens. Now these cats in this old song love to play all day long. They eat up pie to keep them strong, but start to cry when things go wrong. Are you ready? Here we go. Three little kittens, they lost their mittens, so they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, come here, for we have lost our mittens. Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie. Meow, meow, you shall have no pie. Three little kittens, they found their mittens, so they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, come here, for we have found our mittens. Found your mittens, you good little kittens, then you shall have some pie. Meow, meow, then you shall have some pie. Three little kittens, they put on their mittens and soon ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, see here, for we have soiled our mittens. Soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens, then they began to sigh. Meow, meow, then they began to sigh. Three little kittens, they washed their mittens and hung them out to dry. Oh, mother dear, look here, for we have washed our mittens. Washed your mittens, you darling kittens, I smell a rat close by. Hush, 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 I smell a rat close by. Did you see Minky, Manky and Monkey in that? Were you being a kitten too? Thanks for coming along, everybody, and I'll see you next time on the Suitcase of Imagination. Bye. A suitcase of imagination.